Did you hear it?
Yeah, something.
Yes. Because we are far out, the Morse code is not strong, but we just had a PIE. Okay, when we get closer, we will do the localizer identifier, okay? So, radio part is done. T for the time. This approach doesn't have time. So we move to the H, heading. Approach heading, when we intercept localizer, our straight in heading is 094.
094.
A, altitude, initial altitude. Error above 2000, jet mode, error above 1600, you're going to intercept localizer. That's your final approach fix for the both approach, localizer and ILS. OOF code, you got to be 520, and ILS meter 276, localizer meter 460. Approach briefing complete.
Approach briefing complete.
But did you load the approach? You didn't. Go ahead, procedure. Select approach. ILS 9, start from broad. Let's go to the broad, activate. Yes. Press the flight plan to see the map page. Okay, now you can go. We are 13 miles from the Brooksville, so I'm gonna call up tower a little later. 739 Alpha Golf, I have your holding instruction, advise your ready to copy.
658, Taxi Flight Academy, via Alpha, remain this frequency.
Hey, 739 Alpha Golf, hold west broad at 2000, make a standard turn.
2000 standard turn. Hold west broad, 2000 standard turn.
Yes, report establish holding.
Report establish holding.
You put to broad.
Cessna 68211, Brooksville ground, roger, hold your position.
Your CDI, 215, we are going to broad.
Cessna 5 Papa Juliet, correction, Cessna 3 Alpha Papa, same intentions.
Report back to the Flying Academy, 553 Alpha Papa.
Cessna 3 Alpha Papa, roger, turn left on Bravo, hold short of runway 21 at Bravo 1, remain this frequency.
Bravo, hold short of 1, remain this frequency, 553 Alpha Papa.
Seneca 658, are you ready to taxi in, or you want to stay there for a minute? I got company that's waiting to come out.
Maintain 2000, this approach server at or above, not below.
Hey, roger that, just hold your position there then.
Alright, we'll hold you to 658.
Cessna 211, runway 9 or taxi via
You better
Bravo,
make something hold your approach plate, because you're holding and your approach plate as well, that's why you want to go always to the left.
Cessna 211,
we don't want to do it.
9 or taxi via Alpha, wind 070 at 10, altimeter 3015.
Okay, that's actually 225 here. Yeah, once it's center, you gotta go back to your heading and figure out what is your wind correction angle. Wind was coming from 090.
Skyhawk 215, Papa Juliet, Brooksville Tower, report Jadmo inbound, wind 070 at 9 or altimeter 3015.
Hey, report Jadmo, 215, Papa Juliet. Tower, Seneca 658, we'd like to taxi back to 9 and do one more.
Okay, once you establish now, figure out which holding entry, you gotta do it.
Taxi runway 9 via Alpha.
West of broad.
Hey, Cessna 211, you're coming out of the FBO. Alright, I didn't catch that. Taxi to runway 9 or via Alpha 1 Alpha.
Oh. West of broad.
And Brooksville Tower, 215, Papa Juliet, over Jadmo.
Cessna 215, Papa Juliet, runway 9 are clear for the option with the left turnout heading 360, maintain 2000.
All right, clear for the option, it'll be a touch and go, and left turn, 215, Papa Juliet.
Roger. Cessna 3 Alpha Papa, cross runway 21 at Bravo 1, then hold short of taxiway Alpha.
Cessna 1, will hold short of Alpha. 553 Alpha Papa.
Brooksville Tower, 472 Sierra Papa, holding short runway 9, ready for departure.
72 Sierra Papa Brooks Hotel, make right traffic, runway 9 or clear for takeoff. Traffic 4 mile finals of Cessna.
Clear for takeoff, right traffic, 472 Sierra Papa.
Brooksville Tower, good morning, November 739er Alpha Golf.
November 739er Alpha Golf, Brooksville Tower, good morning.
739er Alpha Golf 10 to the north, so we'd like to practice approach for ILS 09.
Cessna 739 Alpha Golf, roger, maintain VFR and advise when you're established on the localizer inbound. There is Cessna traffic also doing ILSs currently on about a 3 mile final to Brooksville, missing to the north. Wind 0909, altimeter 3016.
3016, and we'll report localizer inbound 739 Alpha Golf. Okay, so we got permission.
Cessna 3 Alpha Papa, taxi to the Academy via Alpha.
To the Academy via Alpha 3 Alpha.
So what kind of entry we're doing?
We need to make a tail drop.
Okay. So when we're crossing Broad, which heading you gonna fly?
When we are crossing Broad, it should be
Seneca 658, ready to go at 9, just one lap of the pattern.
Cessna 658, Brooksville Tower, roger, hold short runway 9er for landing traffic.
What's the landing traffic, 658?
227.
No.
0.
Is that teardrop entry, right?
Right.
We are approaching from here to make a teardrop entry. What are you gonna do? You should visualize it.
One and back.
Huh?
This one and back.
Yeah, so what heading will be?
The same.
That same about 240. Now, visualize it. Here's the Broad, here will be your the holding pattern. So you're gonna cross your holding pattern because inbound is here. Hold about 30 degrees to the Broad and
Cherokee
make a teardrop and intercept inbound. That will be your holding entry, teardrop. So about 30 degrees left to your outbound. So about 240.
Cherokee 54421, wind 0909, altimeter 3016, runway 9er, taxi via Alpha 1 Alpha.
Okay, we are within 10, so 35 degrees. I think we can get the signal. Remember, we can get only 35 degrees on about 10 miles. So this is your
Cessna 2 Sierra Papa, runway 9er, clear touch and go.
localizer frequency. Start with 2 dots.
And then
Seneca 658, make right traffic, runway 9er, clear for takeoff.
Right traffic, runway 9, clear for takeoff, 658.
And press the ID. No, ID here. So think of it, Broad is not published hold, so when you're crossing Broad, this GPS wants to show you going to the jet mode, your final approach fix inbound. We're going to suspend your holding while you're doing holding entry. So I'm going to show you on the GPS.
okay.
Make this thing center. You're getting closer only, we are 3 miles out, so do mild shallow intercept.
Papa Juliet, requesting turn to the north.
Just 5 Papa Juliet, turn left heading 360, maintain VFR 2000. Traffic's a Cessna on his own nav vectoring, or going out for the ILS from the north. Tampa will keep you advised on his position. Contact Tampa approach 118.8.
Over approach, 215 Papa Juliet, we'll look for traffic.